Hey, what's up? Good afternoon, everybody. It is me, the Millennial Investor 1914, Mr. Suave. I'm here. I bring that sauce. I know you like, what type of sauce do I have? I love tacos. So I have all different types of sauce that I love to bring to the table. Most importantly, I love to talk to you guys about dividend growth investing, how to start a business online through e-commerce, how to make passive income just through investing, whether it's through just dividend growth stocks or just different stocks that you probably haven't heard of, or just stocks in general to increase your net worth. So we're going to talk about today. Before we start, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Show your boys some love as we embark and leave to 2023 and go into 2024. Today's video, we're going to talk about the dividend increases that of stocks that made dividend increases for. We're going to talk about dividend increases for 2023 in November, and yeah, we're not going to waste any time. We're going to get into it. To make sure I put that down because somebody is talking to me. Here we go. So starting with November 1st, Huntington Ingalls increased their dividend by 4.8%. They were paying $1.24. Now they're paying $1.30. So this is in the aerospace and defense. So if you're looking for a company that's in the industrial space, Huntington Ingalls increased their dividend by 4.8%. We're not going to waste you guys any time. Here we go. Canadian Natural, CNC, increased their dividend from 90 cents to $1. It has a dividend yield of 4.62%. Conoco, which is an oil and gas space. If you are looking for an oil and gas play, Conoco increased their dividend from 51 cents to 58 cents, increased their dividend by 14%. Here we go. Snap-on. Here is an industrial stock that has been increasing their dividend for it says 14 plus years. So in a couple of years, they will become a dividend aristocrat. I actually have this stock in my dividend portfolio. It increased dividend by 15%. It went from $1.62 per quarter to $1.86%. I love Snap-on. Another one, I have this in my portfolio. It's EOG. It lifts its dividend payout 6 straight year from 83 cents to 91 cents. Don't get anything better than that. Aflac. I originally had this in my portfolio. I just sold it last week because I want more total return. But this is a great dividend stock. It's a dividend aristocrat. It's been paying this dividend for 41 annual increases. It increases dividend from 42 cents to 50 cents. Great dividend play. TELUS, which is a Canadian company, I want to say it's telecom, increased it by from 36 cents to 37 cents. Not bad. Okay. Emerson, if you're into like more so utility stocks, this increased from 52 cents to 5.25%, which is hardly anything. But I know a lot of individuals who ADP. I'm in HR, and so I've done payroll in the past. And ADP most definitely had some rocky years in regards to 2020, 2021 due to the pandemic. But guess what? Hey, since then, ADP has been rocking and rolling. As you see right here, increased. So from $1.04 to $1.25, and now $1.25 to $1.40. So they've been picking up to increasing their dividend hikes, and most definitely can't even say that is definitely the way to go. Atmos, it's a gas utility. I think this is also a dividend aristocrat. Yep, reached its 40 year of annual increase from 74 cents to 80 cents. So if you are in the market looking for a utility company, Atmos Energy is definitely the way to go. It's a dividend aristocrat. Owl Rock Capital. I had this in my portfolio before I recently sold it, and it's a high yielding stock. It's actually high yields, so like around 10%. I think because since the market has been going up a little bit lately, so it's roughly 9%. But if you're looking for a great high yielding stock for income right now that also pays special dividends, Owl Rock Capital, OBDC, definitely it's valid. BD, which is a healthcare equipment company, increased its dividend by 4.4%. It's the 52 consecutive year of higher increases from 91 cent to 95 cent. Here we go. Roper, which is an application software, which is also a dividend aristocrat. You peep these different words. You're going to hear like dividend aristocrat, dividend champion. These also means things. So make sure you write it down, do some research if you want to know what a dividend aristocrat, what is a dividend champion, etc. It means a lot in regards to dividend safety and consistency and just the bomb stocks, right? It's the bomb diggity for real. What else? What we have? We're approaching the middle of November. Tyson increased their dividend by 2.1%, from 48 cents to 49 cents. People normally know Tyson for the chicken wings, boneless chicken wings. What else? Yeah, just basically chicken. When you're in different grocery stores like Kroger or HEB. I'm in Texas, so we have HEB. On November 13th, Sun Life increased its dividend by 4%, resulting in a 8.7% dividend growth over the past year. Wow, that is crazy. So it originally went from 69 cent to 72 cent, 75 cent, and then now it's back is going up to 78 cent, which is nuts. Yikes. I mean, yikes in a good way, as in like they really putting that work, right? Giving back to shareholders. So if you're into something like that, then that's the way to go. Also, for individuals who buy Michael Jordan and George Jordan shoes or Nike shoes, why not invest into the Nike stock, right? Typically, what I've seen, Nike tend to increase its dividend closer to 10%. So 8.8% is really not really out of his wheelhouse of dividend increases. It increased from 34 cent to 37 cent. So why not have on some Nike shares, have some ownership? Suncor, which is in the oil and gas industry, increases dividend by 4.8%. It says reflecting confidence in the outlook of fossil fuels. Nice. Also, where we going? We're getting close to the end of November, so we can end the month off strong. Hormel increases dividend by 2.7%, which is 58th consecutive annual increase. Hormel is a dividend king. So it increased its dividend by 0.275 to 0.2825. Not bad. Not something I would invest into. The dividend growth is a lot slower. But hey, if you're into invest into like packaged meats, then Hormel may be for you. Merck, which is the pharmaceutical company, raises its dividend by 5.5%, increased from 0.73 to 0.77. Not bad. Enbridge. Now, this stock right here, if you are into a high yielding stock, a stock that pays a high yield dividend that's reliable, this is the way to go. I sold this stock either at the beginning of the year or I want to say last year, because I right now I need more portfolio growth. But this one of the stocks I want to buy when I'm ready to retire. So when I plan on selling some Microsoft and some Apple and a lot of my low yielding stocks, I plan on buying. This is one of the stocks that I plan on buying, and I know that it's going to continue to grow. It's been helping out the growth and just natural resources for Canada. Canada is our neighbor. It's a win-win. I know I got really excited about how I saw Enbridge. On November 9th, McCormick, the season company, increases dividend by 7.7%. It achieved a 38th consecutive annual increase, went from 39 cents to 42 cents. Not bad, not bad. GM increases dividend from 9 cents to 12 cents. Not really going to just go over that because GM just is GM and whatever. RBC, which is a bank, a Canadian bank, increases dividend from $1.35 to $1.38. Definitely lovely. The Canadian banks have high yields, and here's another Canadian bank, which is TD, which has a connection also with the United States as well. Increases dividend from 96 cents to $1.02. Right here has a high dividend yield. So I know a lot of Canadians and a lot of just individuals, they invest into the Canadian banks for the high yield and also for the growth as well. The Canadian banks tend to have a yield of maybe on the lower side 3.5%, on the high side 5%, and then also have dividend growth of 6%, 7%, 8%. It's nuts and crazy, and they're also very solid in regards to with their economy. It's crazy. Another Canadian bank, CIBC, it's like clockwork. I told you, they grew its dividend from 0.87 cent per quarter to 0.9%, increases dividend by 3.4%, and boom, the dividend yield is 6.16%. Man, the Canadian banks, man, it's a plus. On November 30th, Disney reinstated its dividend. So now they moving forward, they're going to be paying 30 cent. Not bad. The Bank of Montreal increases dividend by 2.7% from $1.47 to $1.51. Has a dividend yield of 5%. So a lot of individuals who are looking for like high yielding stocks, but also increase their dividend yield. Them Canadian banks are just they killing. Okay, so that's going into the December, and then real quick, here's all the dividend stocks that increase in the month of November that I have. So you guys know that I have Snap on, or I'm telling you, I have EOG. So I received $19.62 increase by me holding EOG. I received a 18.24 special dividend for holding Owl Rock Capital. I also received what else? That's it. So those are the stocks right there that increases its dividend for me. And then real quick, I am at because I still have to update this. So I'm at roughly 75,000 for my overall dividend portfolio, and then for my dividend growth portfolio, because I have multiple portfolios. I am sitting at an annual income of $14.97. I plan on buying more stocks on Monday. Hopefully, get this up to $1,500 so that I can start out the new year 2024 with an annual income of $1,500, and then hopefully to continue to lead the buy and to hopefully at least get to roughly $1,600, if not 1,700 is my goal. So buy more realty income, buy more Apple, buy more Microsoft, most definitely buy more Microsoft. I'm buying more Costco, Chevron, Nvidia, which is really a dividend growth stock. It's tech, so semiconductors and whatnot. I'm definitely buying a lot of Visa. So by the time next year, around this time, you should see roughly maybe 12 to 15 shares of Visa. I'm definitely that serious. You might definitely gonna see roughly 18 to 19 shares of Microsoft. I'm going in, and I'm also going to go in more so on JP Morgan Chase, and also Apple. I definitely see this 24 shares going up to at least 35 shares. So I'm going to put in that work. I'm going to invest, and I'm also buying more Bitcoin. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video of the dividend increases for November. My dividend increases for the month of December. It is crazy. I received increases so far of Eli Lilly and Broadcom. Ooh, and I bought a share of Broadcom too. So we're gonna go talk about that next month. So hope you guys have a great day. Hopefully you guys start a dividend portfolio. If you haven't started, make sure you do dividends and don't do drugs. I like that. And make sure you guys, hey, invest into dividend growth stocks and receive that passive income to grow a portfolio so that you can live off of. That is the goal, right? Peace. Oh yeah. You guys have a great day.